Alright guys, today we're introducing a new car to the channel. It's not my car personally, but it's a good friend's car, and it should be outside. Oh. Bro. Dude, this thing looks sick. Yo, hold on. You always have the nicest colors, man. If you guys don't know, this is Lou. It's good, bro. So, yo, can I ask you one more time? This is funny because this is the first time seeing him today. Hey, what's up, bro? I'm sorry I'm late. It was a long story. I tried to export a video for YouTube and I had no storage, so I had to delete out. I wasn't gonna...
YouTube stuff.
YouTube stuff, man. Anyways, are you gonna finally change your name?
No.
Blended Gray to Blended Blue?
No.
No? He's sticking with the Blended Gray. So just in case you guys don't know Lou, one, go subscribe to his channel, Blended Gray.
I'm uploading today. If he uploads this today, I don't know.
Oh, this is not going up until you upload this.
Okay, fine.
So don't worry. If you guys would have seen this on his channel already, but because obviously that'd be messed up.
I know, right?
That'd be really messed up. No, but yeah, go check him out. But he had a sick M340i, which has been on my channel a few times.
Yes.
Obviously, like as friends, guys, we always like feature each other's cars. We always come up with ideas for videos and stuff. But he has that sick M340i. No longer, which you guys would have known if you follow his YouTube channel, because at this point, this one goes up, you'll have announced this. So
yes,
the timeline will make sense.
Yes.
Dude, I kind of missed M340. I'm not gonna lie.
Somebody asked me that yesterday, and I said, yeah, I did.
You do, right? Because
I miss it heavily.
This is sick. All right, quick intro.
Quick intro. All right, so this is 2023, so same year as my M340, if you guys know about the channel and everything like that.
Same year as mine, by the way, as well.
Same year. We have a lot going on for this car. I bought this car used, as you guys can see, so it has every package minus the parking thing, you know, because nobody likes that thingy.
Yeah, that was the one thing I intentionally opted out of.
The one thing that's not on the car. Oh, and buckets. So it has lasers.
Yep.
The car's tuned.
It's tuned?
The car's tuned.
Wait, the ECU's unlocked?
The ECU's unlocked.
If you guys want to see a tuned M3, go to Lou's channel. Yeah. I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah.
Straight up, I ain't gonna do that. That is crazy.
It is wicked fast. Mid pipe, Valvetronic exhaust, downpipe.
Can we hear it? Well, another day we have to take it for a drive.
Yes.
I know you probably have to go somewhere. I have to go somewhere. I promised my wife I'll go somewhere with her. But this is what we do sometimes, guys, to make videos. Like I literally was editing a video, which you guys would have seen already. Ooh. Oh, okay. I do that all the time. Yeah, I did that last time. Remember you guys roasted me for it? See? I do. I think if you hit the button like one too many times. This is Tanzanite blue, by the way, right?
Yeah.
This thing is sick. It should be warm. You just drove here. Give us a few baby revs.
There is no baby revs.
Okay, fine. No baby revs. Oh my god.
There's no baby revs.
It is just to clarify, guys. It is early on a Sunday. They're gonna see Lou. Yeah, and they're gonna kick him out of the neighborhood. No, I'm just kidding, bro. They hate me too. Oh, it has the full leather too.
Yeah, so it has everything, and even I didn't realize this. I thought he.
Hold on, I'm gonna come inside. Dude, this is sick. Hey, how's it going?
Hello.
That was my neighbor, by the way. Why can't I open? Oh, there it goes. Sorry. I apparently forgot how to use this car. Yeah, that's my neighbor. Shout out to my neighbors who don't call the cops on me. They're really cool. They're actually really, really nice. I'm always really nice with my neighbors because I know that a time will come they're gonna be upset with me, and if they don't like me, you know, best to get on their good graces beforehand. Yeah. Anyways, all right, this thing's got everything, dude. Full leather, carbon.
Yes, carbon, you name it.
Nice,
yellow
man.
DRLs, laser lights. The only thing I don't have is buckets.
But you daily this car.
I daily this car, and I'm not gonna lie to you.
I feel like I'm sitting really high up by it right now. I'm just gonna lower this.
The missus is kind of short.
This is gonna be a monstrous daily, dude.
Yeah, I can't ride around in like M1 or M2 because it's way too loud.
Dude, so, that was loud. Is it? I can't remember. Is it catless?
It's catless.
Catless. See that's if I want to make my M3 loud, that's what I need to do. I need to make it catless.
But then you're gonna run around to check engine.
I know. That's the thing. If you guys have been following the whole Supra, which I need to get your opinion on the Supra, by the way. We'll step out in a second.
The Supra.
Today, I'm uploading a video because, I mean, you guys would have seen it by now if you follow, like, if you watch all of my videos. If you don't, come on, go watch them. But, yeah.
He's a good guy.
Yeah, debatable. But on the Supra, I had the catless downpipe, and I just took it off so I can pass near
all the emissions and all that good stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep it off for a bit, but it's so easy on the P58, dude.
So I got it 2 days ago, and I was
It's like really dark. Sorry, it's not. You're dark. Well, you're dark too.
I'm dark.
But no, I'm like trying to get the lighting good.
No, like yesterday, it was late last night, and I was like, it's raining. I'm gonna try and do some So I was doing burnouts, and it was fun. This is not a good car for me to be in because it's dangerous.
Yeah, it's a bad influence, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dude, I actually really like these seats, by the way.
I love them.
They're so comfortable.
They're comfortable. Like when I say I'm not mad about not having buckets, if I want a bucket, I'll buy a cheaper Recaro seat or something like that. They're going out of business anyway. I'm joking. But they are.
they are though. They are. Also, can I just say, guys, while we're talking about the seats, the orange, man.
Yeah, the orange.
You know, this is the color I wanted.
I love this orange.
You guys know at this point, I wanted this. What is it?
It's Kailami orange.
Kalami
or something like that.
Whatever it's called. I'm just gonna call it orange. I love, dude. This is what I want. I wanted black with this interior. Dude, this is so nice, man. Honestly, congrats, bro. I'm happy for you.
And I didn't pay 100K for it. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
If you're getting into cars,
idiot.
You're gonna lose money, and you're also gonna gain money at the same time. So
mainly gonna lose.
You're gonna lose a lot of money. So this better be a passion rather than say a financial decision.
or to impress people. Yeah. Do it because you genuinely love it. I wear bummy clothes. I don't smoke. I don't drink. I don't spend my money on that stuff. Well, I enjoy. Bro, you look better than me, but you look like you're burning right now, probably.
Not really. I'm always cold.
It's that melanin. Anyways, I forgot what I was saying. Well, the point is, guys, this is what I enjoy. I'm sure this is what you guys enjoy as well if you're watching this channel. So, you're gonna lose money, but that's fine. Oh, you have cooled seats.
Oh yeah, I have everything, bro.
Cool my seats. What are you doing? I'm burning over here. Dude, this color is so sick.
I was talking to my brother, and he was saying Hyundai's ventilated seats work a little better.
Really? That's pretty sad. This thing's so beautiful, man, in the sun.
If you know of anybody who has comp wheels, I know you have comp wheels.
I don't like those lights. Yes, the comp wheels. Surprisingly, a lot of people told me to put those wheels back on today. One of the videos I talked about potentially putting it back on. You want these? Do you actually? I'm probably gonna sell them.
You want to know why?
Why?
That's all I got.
Yeah, I'll be honest.
When I went to go pick it up, he was like, yeah, I don't have the OEM wheels. And I was like, what do you mean you don't have the OEM wheels? You want me to drive on these?
Bro, these are expensive, right? It's bad, but like, I think they're ugly.
The BBS? Listen, right? That's understandable. Even
I don't mean to insult you.
No.
You didn't pick the wheels, so I don't feel bad. But like, I think they're ugly, dude.
I don't think they're ugly.
I think
the specs for them. The rear is fine. I think the front.
Like the fitment?
Yeah, I'll fix it. Don't worry.
But I mean, like, I don't know. Like, do you guys like them?
I might change them to gunmetal.
I don't know, man.
Hey, no, just wait. You gotta see the video.
Like, all right, wait. Look at this. For those you guys watching, comment. What do you like more, these BBSs or these Apexes, which are hard to see because of the lighting? I apologize. But dude, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just biased. I have a certain
I want these on black.
Just buy them. Legit. I'm actually. We're gonna talk more off camera. Legit, I'm waiting to see when I wrap the car because the color is gonna look. The plan was that the color that I'm wrapping is gonna look sick with those gold wheels. So I'm gonna probably put like the comp wheels back on, and if it looks good, man, I just like, cause dude, the money. I could use the money to dump into this car. Which, by the way, isn't it funny how like once it rains, you can actually see.
You can see everything.
Yeah, you can see like the actual carbon because it's like a temporary clear coat. Like look at that. See, look.
Bro, don't be surprised. For those of you who are watching my channel, I get another B50, maybe.
Bro, you're gonna get one of these.
Comfort, honestly, if you're somebody who's not in the cars, just stick to your G20, 330, M340. It doesn't matter, either or. Stick to those cars.
Yes.
Comfort-wise, when my wife got into it, the first thing she said to me was, "Whoa!" And I was like, "What happened?" She was like, "It feels heavy."
Yeah,
she's not interested in cars, and she's like, "It feels heavy," but it does handle well and it hides the weight.
What kind of tires are on it?
That's another reason I need to change it. That's why too.
You got Chibis?
No, those are Pilot Super Sport. The weather's about to change.
Oh, yeah. I was gonna say, I was like, wait, that's good. I was so confused.
It's good.
And you're daily
until it gets cold, and it's now getting cold in New York. So.
Yeah. All right, buy my wheels. We've already concluded. Buy them, powder coat them. Actually, Yo,
I might
the
sell these to see
gold,
what I can get for these.
the gold with the tanzanite blue,
Yes,
and the orange interior, it actually looks sick.
Yes.
But please get rid of those GTS taillights ASAP. Those things are really ugly.
yeah, I saw some more.
He didn't. I know people are gonna be like, those are BBSs. Eamon, you don't know what you're talking about. I'm not a wheel guy. Let's just make that clear. I'm not a wheel guy at all. Like, I usually just go for like OEM wheels. But that's why I like Apex, because they're like OEM plus looking.
Yeah,
like they look
like they belong there. If that makes sense. Yeah.
They don't look like it's been modified in a way, unless if you get gold like me. But that's besides the point.
Right now, I'm not putting a front lip on the car.
No.
If you want me to completely be honest, the M340 was great. It was low, but not having to angle so much.
Oh, I know.
Turning and everything right now.
You gotta get a front lip, at least just like a subtle one.
The only thing right now I might do is change this out. The grill.
The grill? Okay, definitely the grill. You can get some like gloss black ones. Yeah. Let's change out. We're gonna do all this together. You're gonna be working on your own car this time. All right, guys, me and Lou did some talking off camera, so we have a lot of plans for this car. So again, go check out his channel. It's already tuned, it's modified, and has some stuff on it, but there's a lot more that we have to do to it. So, although it's not my car, you guys will definitely be seeing this more on my channel, and of course, on Lou's channel. So go subscribe to him, stay tuned. Now we have 2 M3s. It's gonna be cool now that we like all roll out as friends and go to car shows or something. But anyways, guys, with that said, this video's pretty much done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Some of y'all don't listen at all. This ain't they be pushing you.